Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add a video onto your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard, and from there you can see this option online store. You have to tap onto online store and then you can see this themes option. Simply tap onto themes, and after clicking onto themes these features will be opened. You have to scroll down. As you can see in this screenshot, I have scrolled down to the bottom, and now you have to choose onto this plus icon called add section. You have to tap onto multi column and then tap onto add section. After clicking onto add sections, you can just simply search up for anything. For example, we want to add video, just search for video, and there we go. You can see this this video is now added, and we can search up that what type of videos you want. For example, there is a shoe video. I just search up for, and if you want any other videos, for example t-shirt, you can search for t-shirt, and also the size of it you can just add it. You can also add cover image, and if you want to add a YouTube video, you can just simply copy and paste the URL right here and it will be added. So this is as simple as that. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye.